Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? This your girl Tink. Here on the YND YouTube channel. Those who haven't heard about the volcano in Hawaii, I'm about to show you a quick clip of it, and this is taken from the NBC News. So give me 1 second. While I'm doing this, y'all, I'm gonna put it on full screen so my webcam can get the full effect of it. Y'all see that? That is crazy. This is in Hawaii. Kalawao, I think it's pronounced Kalawao, Hawaii. There you can see the helicopter, which also has a cam that's catching the full effect of it. Could you just like imagine living somewhere with that going on? I'm gonna play it one more time for y'all. That is crazy. And just imagine they had, people out there who were visiting. I'm pretty sure a lot of the forest area or mountains or whatever they may have out there were kind of damaged pretty bad. I'm just wondering how they actually dealt with it. But it's saying here, oh, it's pronounced Kalua, I believe. They said that in that area in Hawaii that the volcano has been consistently erupting since 1983. Geologists say that there are indications that there could be more eruptions, so that's wild. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all that. Again, this is the Kalua volcano on Hawaii's Big Island.